Find the exact value of each function. So I've got here some trigonometric functions and some angles, and I want to evaluate these, and we can do that using our knowledge of the unit circle and the points on the unit circle. So sine of 3 pi over 4. First of all, we use the definition of sine, and the sine on the unit circle is simply the y-coordinate of the point at that angle. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a unit circle. I'm going to actually draw it kind of big because I'm going to refer to it the whole time. Okay, so here's my blank unit circle. There's nothing drawn on this. I'm just going to draw the pieces that I need. So first of all, 3 pi over 4. I need to know where that angle is. And the angle 3 pi over 4 on the unit circle is right here. Okay, it's right in the middle. And then I need the point here. Okay, and the point right there is negative square root of 2 over 2, positive square root of 2 over 2. Okay, that I know because I've got it memorized. Because I've memorized the unit circle. So we find our angle and get the point, and then we use our definition. And sine is the y-coordinate. The y-coordinate of this point is the square root of 2 over 2. So sine of 3 pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. Cosine of negative 11 pi over 6. Now this is interesting because it has a negative angle. So first of all, let me just say what I know about cosine. The definition of cosine in terms of the unit circle is that the cosine of an angle is simply the x-coordinate. Now I need to find this angle, negative 11 pi over 6. And there's different ways of thinking about this. I'm going to start by just looking at 11 pi over 6. 11 pi over 6 I know is down here. Okay. But that's this angle right there. Okay, that's 11 pi over 6. However, I have a negative 11 pi over 6, which means I need to go the same distance, but I need to travel the opposite direction. I need to travel clockwise. And if I go that same distance and travel clockwise, that's going to put me right up here. Okay. Now, we can see that a negative angle, you just take the angle in the positive format and you can flip it across the horizontal axis, and that will give you the correct angle. So this angle right here, not this one, that was positive 11 pi over 6. This angle right here, that's a negative 11 pi over 6, and then we need the point right here. Now this negative 11 pi over 6 I can see is in the same place as positive pi over 6, and I know the point there. The point there is square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. So now I go to my cosine. Cosine is equal to the x-coordinate. The x-coordinate here is the square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, looking at part C, we want the secant of 4 pi over 3. So we're going to find that angle. Now 4 pi over 3, that's an angle that's on the unit circle. That is down here. And so down there, I've got that 4 pi over 3 location, and I know the point down there. The point there has a negative x-coordinate, negative 1/2, and a negative y-coordinate, negative root 3 over 2. Okay, I go to my definition of secant. Secant is 1 over the x-coordinate. So I have 1 over the x-coordinate is negative 1/2. Well, that's just the reciprocal. 1 over something is the reciprocal of it. So I get negative 2 over 1, which is just negative 2. So the secant of 4 pi over 3 is negative 2. And finally, I've got cotangent of negative 5 pi over 4. And my definition of cotangent is x over y. I need to find my angle. My angle, 5 pi over 4, if I were to do positive 5 pi over 4, it would be right down here. Right in the middle. Right there, right in the middle. But that is positive 5 pi over 4. So negative 5 pi over 4 takes that distance and travels in the opposite direction. Okay, and so it actually puts us right here, this angle that I've actually already done. Okay, so that point, I have that point already. And so then I can write this. Well, the x coordinate is negative root 2 over 2 over the y coordinate, which is root 2 over 2. We can see those are the same number. One's negative, one's positive. So this is going to be negative 1.